Welcome back. My name is Engineer Shamsher Khan. Today the topic which I'm gonna be present is transistor. Before going to explanation of translation, we're gonna know about capacitor, inductor and resistor. As we already told about capacitor, inductor and resistor, after calculating the capacitor, the resistor and the inductor, then we come about what is meant by a transistor. Basically, transistor is a semiconductor device in which we use to amplify electronic signal into electrical power signal. The purpose of transistor is to modify and amplify electronic signal into electrical signal. How the power is to be connected is we already know about transistor, like the meaning of transition where it's back-to-back combination of p-n junction. Before going to explain the transistor concept, you must know about p-n junction, n-p-n junction. Junction is basically a combination of the border where we make a circuit mechanism. So explain to do it all, we have to know about the p-n junction and the n-p-n junction. Transistor is there are on FEC level we know about there are two type of transistor. One is bijective transistor effect and other is field type of transistor. But in FEC level we use just field type of transistor, which consists there are two type of transistor. One is NPN transistor and other is PNP transistor. So gentlemen, as we already know about NP North Pole, we have already studied about well, but transition we have to explain first one by one what will happen in them and how is to be done. Right, NPN transition is NPN, right? What will happen? It will show the emitter where the electron is being emitted, and then P region is show for base where the doping is also be decreased as compare NPN resistor. The P is emitter in front of you, N is here, PNP and PNP transistor base will show to you how to be connected in them. And then P is also be used, utilized for the collector. Right, N is show for emitter, P is show for base, and N is show for collector. And NPN and PNP transistor, just what does it mean? Simply we can tell us about it is used for amplification. So amplify for large voltage where is required, for small voltage is required. But gentlemen, PNP transistor and NPN transistor basically concept is that they have depend upon doping services. How much doping is compared in NPN and how much doping is in PNP transistor. Gentlemen, before going to explain it, we have to know about base current equation. So base current equation is for both PNP and NPN transistor. They have same characteristic. Like in emitter, when electron is emitter, right, about how much electron is emitter, then P and P both will to be combined, so it's gonna be equal to emitter. And then the purpose of basic current equation is to amplify, and then in such a way I is equal to IB plus IC. Gentlemen, is the basic current equation is amplified for them, so PNP doping is increased is compare NPN transistor, as we already know about them. And we are finally coming the application of transistor. So as we already know about, the transistor is used in digital circuit mechanism, and it is used for high potential, high power application, as we already study about them. And we already know about logic gates, which it is used for circuit mechanism system. And then logic is also like installed for electronic